Have you wondered what 350 bucks is going to get you for a weightlifting shoe? Well, we're going to find out today because I am unboxing the Elite Carbon from TYR. Now, I've been looking forward to this product for a while. I will say for years, because I think that this is the closest approximate to the Adistar 2008s, which were my favorite pair of Olympic weightlifting shoes that I ever owned. They have now taken that form factor and made it into an anatomically shaped, wide toe boxed weightlifting shoe. So, get it here, you'll see they've changed to kind of this silver font finish on it, which I really dig. And when you open it up, we're going to get a nice little shoe bags and a little warning that the chrome finish is going to wear off over time. Okay. This is clearly they're going for a premium product. They didn't have any of that in the L1 packaging from that gear review. So we've got to get rid of all of our paper. And here is what we're here for. Let's take a look. So you'll notice they've got the wood heel and the chrome finish. I'm not even sure if this actually is wood. It might be a different material, but it looks like wood. And then you got the gum sole, all white. We got the wider midfoot here, still probably a little narrow in the toe, but this looks to be a synthetic leather upper. We got our two straps here, textured, which I like because they'll be grippier that way, right? And a little winged dragon here on the back. Your TYR. I was saying TYR before, and now I realize it's TYR, like from Greek or from Norse mythology. You would think I would have caught on that right away, but these appear to be pretty high quality build. They're supposed to have this carbon fiber plate is supposed to help with force transfer between the forefoot and the heel. So I'm pretty excited to try these out. We'll see how they perform on the platform, but I'm pretty stoked on these. I will give you a full actual review after I've had a chance to wear them and take them for a test spin on the platform. I got a little bit of time to heal up after getting my tattoo finished. You can see TYRFORCE 1 on the back too, which I missed. I'll keep you posted. Come back for a full gear review in a couple of months.